Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my winter Walmart beauty box. Walmart is $6.97, and what they say is it's free, and that's the shipping cost is the $6.97. And it's really, it's quarterly, so that's $7, that's $28 for the year, and then tax, you know, your state will charge different taxes, whatever that comes out to. It's not much, but if you go to the store and buy something for $7, you're going to pay some tax. So it's a really good deal, especially if you cannot afford any subscriptions and you want a subscription. This is the way to go. I mean, $28 for the whole year. You don't pay it by the year. They don't do that. You just pay it by the quarter, and they only charge you when they're ready to send it out. Now, they did charge me. It's been 2 or 3 weeks ago. It takes a little time once you get charged for you to actually get the box. And then they have been doing, the last couple of years or so, maybe it's a little bit longer than that, they do some special boxes from time to time. Like I had the Space NK box last quarter, so that was like $12.97, and you know, it was fine, but a lot of people were disappointed in it. It's just fine to stick with this one. It really is. There'll be some things in here that you like, and there'll be some things in here that you won't like. And some things are full size and some things are not. But everything in here you can purchase at Walmart. So if you like something, you're going to find it at Walmart. So let's see what's in this one. I just, you know, you sort of don't ever know when to expect it. You might have seen already some people post this box a couple weeks ago, and you'll see people a good month after me posting, because it takes a while to get everybody out because so many people get it, I guess. So when you open it, by the way, it's shrink wrapped, and I did take that off. So it's this, you know, just cardboard box. They change it up. I don't remember it being this color. Maybe it was last time. I don't know. But it's just plain inside. There's a little piece of tissue in there, and they do send a little brochure. It says the winter edit. And in this little booklet is information about what could be in your box. It's not necessarily what is in your box. Used to be you could tell, oh yeah, everybody would get what's on the left side. That's not true anymore. But it says self-care season's here. Once that chill starts to set in, it's time to give yourself some extra TLC. Keep glowing all winter long with must-have skin, hair, and nail picks. Okay, shop these favorites and find ingredients information on walmart.com/beautybox. Okay, so they show on the left side there's 3, 6, 7 items, and then on the right side there's 2, 4, 5 items, and then a big question mark that says, don't see your product here? Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. And there is a code that you can scan here, you know, one of those, whatever those things are called, and maybe learn more about the products. But let's see what I have. I have 5 items, and I think that's usually about what we get, usually. It does show a VINMO, and I thought that would be something everybody got, just the way it's in the booklet here, but no, I don't have any VINMO in here. So let's see what I have. I see something big right here. This is Wet n Wild. You know, Wet n Wild is a they've been around a long time, makeup company. I'd say since I was in my teens and 20s, I think it's been around. It's been around a long time. This is Bed of Roses, and I believe it's a blush. Now that's the first thing I pick up, and it's not on this in this brochure, so I can't tell you what the value of it is or anything. It is blush, and the color is called Bed of Roses. So it's a full size. You can see by looking at it, it's a full size. So I don't know what this is. Maybe $5-ish. Maybe, you know, things have gone up. Maybe it's $6.98. I don't know. But it's not in my brochure. So there you go. There you go. Next we have, I've had this before. This is the Luminex brand. This is the Bright Pen. It says Luminex. This one is in the brochure. Luminex Bright 2-pen dual action stain repellent and whitening. The full size is $19.98, and it's 1 count. And I think it says 1 pen. So I think this is a full size. Is this $19.98 for this 1 pen? I think I had this before, and the whitening things never seem to do anything for me, y'all. And you've got to keep your mouth shut for 30 minutes, a lot of them. You put on these strips and things. And you got to keep your mouth shut. And when I've done several different brands, and then your mouth like foams and stuff, and you're supposed to keep that in there. And I just have such a time with it. I'm not good at it. But now the pen, I want to say I've had it once before, but I don't remember how it does. So I'll probably try it. It's dual action, stain repellent, and tooth whitening. That's what it says. Enamel safe, peroxide free. So maybe that. See if that's $19.98. You know, this box cost me $6.97. So, and then, you know, like I said, this could have been $6.97 right here that paid for the box, and then I got extra things. So I'm happy about that. Next, I have this item. Let me see if it's on. It is on here. Soap and Glory. Let me show it to you, and then I'll read what it says in here. Soap and Glory is the brand. The Righteous Butter Body Lotion. The full size is $10.98, which is 16.9 ounces. That's a nice size bottle. I mean, usually lotions are 8-ish ounces, so that's double. And this is just 1.69 ounce. So this is a nice carry with you size. Let's see. Oh, it's really tight on there. I was gonna see. I'm thinking that it's probably sealed, but trying to get this open but I can't. So let me. Oh, all right. It's not sealed. I squeezed it in. Oh, it smells good. Right. It's just it's not real. It's a little perfumey, but not strong. It's not. It's a nice. Well, everybody's gonna be different if you like it or not. Let's see what it says. Nourishing body lotion. With a blend of rosehip seed oil and antioxidant vitamin E. Original pink, it says. Something about bergamot, rose and bergamot. Is that? It's very mild. It does smell maybe fruity, a little florally. It is nice, rich and creamy. Oh, it smells pretty. I'm not a big lotion smelling fan unless it's matching like my perfume, you know, like a set of stuff. But this is very pretty, and it's reminding me of summer though. But it's nice. It feels good on my skin. I like it. I've never heard of that brand, Soap and Glory. Have y'all? And I think that's a really good deal. This 16.9 ounces for $10.98. Okay. All right. What else we got going on? We've got this. I can't see it. Oh, Revolution brand. This is an eyeliner. I can always use an eyeliner, even though we do get a bunch of them. This is Re-Love. Yeah, Revolution, but the love is turned. So it's Re-Love by Revolution. Slick Flick Liquid Black Eyeliner. The full size is $2.98. Hey, now that's a bargain. $2.98 for a black eyeliner. That's what they all should be priced, but some of them are way high priced. Slick Flick, it says there. It says Ultra Slick Flick, Super Black Pigment, Create Your Dream Flick. All right, let's see. I'm going to open it. Well, it's sealed, of course. You know how that goes. Why do they have to? Well, it's good that they seal things, but then I can't get them open, so hang on. Let's see what it looks like. Well, I'll just have to damage the package because I'll just keep it anyway. It's just a nice, that's a good price. I think that's a good price. Now, you know, that was in a box, y'all, and then it's shrink wrapped on top of that. Oy. All right, so I learned this from Laura the Bargain Hunter. When you have shrink wrap on something like this, twist it, and then you can start breaking that plastic off easier. Thank you, Laura. And there it is, a nice fine point, very nice fine point. I'll get that off later, but let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Very nice fine point. Look at how nice that did. So I like that, and I'll get that plastic off at a later date. Let me put it back on. And you know, also something I learned from having a channel is when you use your eyeliner, can you hear that? You should shake it. I never knew that before. My whole life, never knew it. But I don't know if there's a little bead or something in there, but you shake it to get the liquid going. And then the last item I have is a bougie item. So I saved it for last. This is Kristen S. brand. And that is a bougie brand. It is a deluxe sample, but this is a Weightless Shine Air Dry Cream. The full size is $10.98 for 5 ounces. That's not a really bougie price. This is 0.9 fluid ounces. Weightless Shine Air Dry Cream for all hair types. Frizz calming, shine restoring, softening, smoothing, time saving. Interesting. Now I have some of these flyaways up here, but I wouldn't call that frizz. So I may pass this on. It's sealed. I was going to try to smell it. But Kristen S is a really good hair brand, from what I understand. So let's go over what I had. I mean, look at, so this is a deluxe sample, so I don't know. 5 ounces, so this is about 1 ounce. So this is $11, a little over $2 in value. And this was what, about $3 for the eyeliner? I think that's a great price for an eyeliner. I'm impressed. The Wet n Wild, I have no idea. You know, used to be when I was young, Wet n Wild I think was $1. For all of its pieces were $1. But now it's, you know, I don't know. Is this $2.98? Is it $3.98? Is it $5.98? I don't know. Maybe I'll look it up before I'm finished with this and tell you. I like this lotion. I really am liking this. It smells good to me. And then this $20 Bright Pin, which I may or may not open up. I may put it in a giveaway. We'll see. But for $6.97, I'm impressed. And I like this better than I liked my last box, which was the special box. So anyway, y'all, count your blessings and have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.